So if you watched the last video, we talked about our top 5 places to travel to for spring break in 2022. However, in this video, we're gonna walk you through the steps on how you can battle some of the chaotic mess that we live in today and successfully planning an awesome spring break in 2022. Cue that intro.
What's up YouTube? Trevi from the Adventure Buddies, the modern travel family, bringing you another video filled with tips, tricks, and inspiration to make sure you maximize your next family adventure like we always do here at the Adventure Buddies.
So as mentioned in the intro, this chaotic world seems to still continue to get more and more complicated as it relates to travel restrictions. So that's where we're going to start with planning out your spring break for 2022. And so we're going to start off with, how do you pick the right location? Well, let's understand where to go to find out the travel restrictions and where you can and cannot go. So we recommend you using the website canitravel.net. Here you're going to input the location you're leaving from, then going to, or you can leave them all unchecked. Then check the stats whether you're vaccinated or not. Hit that search button. Then it's going to give you the most updated COVID restrictions that you need to know for the location you're trying to go into. So we urge you to start here because there are some places you can and cannot go, and we want to make sure that you're fully aware prior to booking anything down the line. So this was a tip that we brought to you guys a little bit earlier on our Instagram or TikTok at the Adventure Buddies. Go follow us there because here we're going to post a ton of travel tips and additional adventures. So highly recommend checking out canitravel.net before you get started. So once you understand the code restrictions in the area or geographical region you want to go, next you're going to hop on to travelzoo.com. Whether through the app or website or email list, here it's going to offer a ton of great deals. Before purchasing though, you're going to want to take those deals and then head over to Expedia and do a little quick compare and contrast. Why? Because Travelzoo has some amazing deals and offers that you might not have even heard of that are strongly considered. We actually get 80% of our trips through here, and sometimes you actually get a deal through Expedia if you're combining lodging and airfare. However, the better deal is through Travelzoo. Then let's hop to the next step in selecting airfare, because there are a couple key websites that you need to look at to get the best airfare. So now after you got your lodging secure, if you didn't get airfare with Expedia, let's talk about how to get the cheapest airfare for your next spring break trip. So you're gonna wanna head over to a couple different websites to compare prices. Those websites that we recommend: Skyscanner, Google Flights, Secret Flying, and even Kayak, because all these websites are going to be able to give you the best deal to make sure you're not spending a whole lot of money flying to your spring break 2022. So now that you have the location and the airfare, let's talk about the fun stuff. What are you going to do when you get to the spring break location? So what we typically do is look at 2 main websites to get all of our excursions. Which ones are those? TripAdvisor and Viator. Both offer some incredible excursions that are popular in the location that you're going to. Plus, they match them with the reviews. However, one of the recent ones we found that you can do that actually provide a lot of value is going onto YouTube and seeing what else is popular in the area just by doing a simple YouTube search. Or you can just hit that subscribe button down below and follow the Adventure Buddies, and we'll take care of that for you. So there you guys have it. Quick, down and dirty, how to plan the most epic spring break 2022. Making sure you know and understand the current COVID travel restrictions, getting the best deals or coolest locations for lodging, matching that with airfare that is reasonable, as well as making sure that you have loads of adventures planned for your epic spring break trip. So I'm Matt from the Adventure Buddies. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button down below, give us that big thumbs up, and then comment where you plan on going this spring break 2022. And so if you want more content like this, be sure to follow us over at Instagram and TikTok at the Adventure Buddies for more travel tips and adventures. And so remember guys, life's an adventure. Who are you going on it with?